Hey y'all! So I just did the cotton candy and pickle challenge. Like I said, I was doing a seafood boil. So I'm showing y'all how I prepare my seafood. So I have some eggs boiled. I have some, boiling. I have some boiled already. So I'm just boiling 4 more. Because I always just like having eggs boiled anyway. So I have my butter in here. I'm about to add some more butter for my sauce. I just have unsalted sweet cream butter. You can use any kind of butter you like. And just add the rest in there like so. Then get you some crab seafood seasoning. I don't like a lot, but just enough, just that much. It smells so good. Then get you some garlic powder. Doesn't matter what kind. Let's get some garlic powder in here. I like more than that, but then get you some minced garlic. It smells so good, the flavoring. So I'll just get like 2 tablespoons of that. And then I'll heat this up in the microwave. Okay, first thing I'm going to start with is my mussels. This is the kind I got these from Walmart. It comes with 2 packs of these. I already used 1 pack like 2 months ago. So this is the second pack. And you just, oh, I just cracked one. Don't do that. You want to get you a medium saucepan. Give me some scissors. Here's my scissors. First time ever using these. Whoop. This is what Pioneer Woman? Is that her name? Yeah, Pioneer Woman. Then you just cut. First time ever using these scissors. Ooh, sharp. Okay, so just dump it in there. Get you a medium-sized pan. Get your lid. I'm going to also put butter in there as well. Okay, y'all, I had to stop and look for some lids, but this is my mussels, so I just have the butter in there, garlic powder, which I'm running out of. And you just let that cook. If some do not open, do not eat the ones that don't open up. That's one thing I do know. Mussels, if they don't open up, throw them away. Just eat the ones that open up. So you just leave that on there. I probably leave it on there for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then probably turn the heat, reduce the heat to low. And just let it heat up. And then I'm going to get a pan and put everything in there. And spread over my garlic and butter sauce. So this is the shrimp I'm using. Falafel shrimp. And I got this from Amazon Fresh. And I got these from Walmart. Just a little bit of scallops I had left over from my last seafood boil from Walmart. So all of these are going to go in the pan together. Okay, y'all. So I was going to use this, but I just used my butter instead. I was going to use it. If I need it, I'll use it. So now that that's heated up, I'm going to just drop my scallops in. Called searing them. Seared scallops. I make all these shrimp. I probably make all of them. It's a lot of shrimp. Look how big they are. Let me make all of them. And I'm just going to put the lid on them and just let them pink up, get pink. You know, shrimp, you don't have to cook long. Okay, y'all, I'm not really good with cooking videos because I will forget that I'm filming. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just let these cook. Mussels are pretty much done. That's how they look. So yeah, I'm going. Okay, y'all, this is how it looks. And I decided to make some broccoli. So I'm going to put the broccoli in here. I'm sorry I had to cut it off because it's like when you're filming and cooking, I can't focus. So I guess I showed y'all enough though. I showed y'all the basics. So this is not like a full seafood boil. I'm missing corn. I'm missing sausages. crab. So you just make it how you want to make it. This is what I'm eating now. This is what I had on deck. So yes, I said on deck. So you see that egg, but no garlic. I gotta rub that in. I just threw the egg in there. So of course, all this is not for me, but I don't even think I'm going to film it. I think I'm just about to eat. But I'm going to put the broccoli on it. I'm going to show y'all how it look with the broccoli. Okay, y'all. So I put the broccoli on the side. So this is my seafood boil. I still didn't soak that egg, but there you have it. So if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see how I make my seafood boil. Until next time, love you guys. Ciao. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.